Craving a sweet treat but want something a little more exciting than just fruit? Tanghulu is the answer. This fun and colorful snack from northern China is basically candied fruit on a stick, and it's surprisingly easy to make at home. Hey everyone, welcome back to Bloggin Good Food. Let's get started. Making Tanghulu is super easy. Here's what you'll need. Fruits, almost any kind will work. Skewers, sugar, water. Step 1. Prep the fruit. Wash and dry your fruits. If you are using soft fruits, cut them into pieces that are easier to hold on a skewer. Step 2. Sugar magic. In a pot, mix sugar and water. Heat it up until the sugar dissolves. Here's the tricky part. You need the sugar to reach a certain temperature. If you have a candy thermometer, great. You want it to hit 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. No thermometer, no problem. There's a simple test. Take a little bit of sugar syrup and dip it into a cup of cold water. If it hardens and cracks like candy, your sugar is ready. Step 3. Dipping fun. Carefully dip your fruit into the hot sugar mixture. Coat them completely. Be quick and hold the skewer. Step 4. Cool it down. Have a bowl of ice water ready. Dip your coated fruit into the ice water to harden the sugar shell. Step 5. Enjoy. That's it. You have made your own Tanghulu. Top tips. Experiment with different fruits. If the fruit is too juicy, the sugar coating might slide off. Let your Tanghulu cool completely before taking a bite. The sugar will be hot. Tanghulu is a sweet and crunchy treat that's perfect for sharing. What fruits would you try with Tanghulu? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and delicious recipes.